Do you know what they say? Never trust the user. Never trust the user as a developer means that you need to validate the data that you receive from the users. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to implement the data validation in your app, in the Express app using Joy dependency. So first you need to install the Joy dependency, and after that you import the Joy, and we're going to create a function to validate the data using Joy. So as information, you do this exercise or this challenge using also Express validator. You can validate data using that dependency, but in this tutorial we're going to use Joy. I prefer Joy. I think it's very clear. And in this tutorial we're going to use just to validate data just with the few free elements. We're going to validate the title, the status, and the date. You're going to learn how you can validate data, one data with as a title. In this example, we write title, our element, joy, the string method, and the minimum of the letter that you want that input in the form must have minimum of 2 letters, and the maximum, and you make it required. And the status we're going to use joy string, and here we add the value that must be validated when user enter his data, and we add the default to be accepted, to be added in case the user leave it empty, does not fill this input. So, and here we validate the deadline, the date. We use joy.date method, and optional, we make it optional in case that the user didn't fill it, and that case cannot be empty. It can take the actual date, the current date. So here's how you can validate data using Joy dependency. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you very much, and think to subscribe. Thank you very much, and let's see you in the next video.